Hello, good morning, everybody. How are you today? I hope all of you are in good conditions. Okay, today we are going to learn a new materials, and our new material is simple present tense. Okay, here we go. Before we start, I would like to share to all of you what is our objective today is student will be able to write descriptive text using simple present tense accurately. Okay, now before we start, we will do a game first. The name of the game is thumbs up or thumbs down. Okay, thumbs up if the sentence is in form of simple present. This one is thumbs up, and thumbs down if the sentence is not in form of simple present tense. Okay, here we go. Now we are going to practice. I will give you one example first and then we go to the practice. Okay, now let's see this sentence. Okay, she writes a letter every week. This sentence is in form of simple present or not? Okay, good. Thumbs up. This sentence is simple present tense. Okay, now we are going to practice one. Practice one. The sentence is they read a book yesterday. They read a book yesterday. How about this one? They read a book yesterday. Okay. This one thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, good. This is thumbs down. Why? Because this sentence is simple past tense because using yesterday. Okay, now how about this one? I'm an English teacher. I'm an English teacher. This one is simple present or not? Okay, good. This one is simple present. So you have to give a thumbs up. Next one is the sentence is you will study English next week. You will study English next week. This one is simple present or not? Okay, good. Thumbs down. This one is simple future. How about this one? We are sitting on the chair right now. Okay, be careful for this sentence. Okay, the answer is thumbs down. Why this one is thumbs down? Because this sentence is present continuous tense. Okay, now we are going to the definitions of simple present. Simple present is a verb tense with two main uses. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now. Once again, simple present tense, we use simple present tense when an action is happening right now or when it happens regularly. When it happens regularly or unceasingly, which is why it is sometimes called present indefinite. Jadi, the other words or the other terms of simple present, we can say present indefinite. Okay. Okay, we are going to move to the structure. Okay, the structure of simple present in positive form is we can start in a subject, verb with s or es, depend on the subject, plus object plus complement. Okay, here we go. We will see the examples. The example is I, you, they, we. This is the subject. Which one do you want to choose? I or you or they or we. And we have to without s or es. The verb without s or es. Okay. And English is object and everyday is a complement. Okay. On the other side, if the subject using she or he or Annie, the verb should be added with es. If the verb like study, you have to edit es. But why here you have to change it into I and we added with es. And next one is English and everyday. Okay, this one in positive form of simple presence. Now we are going to move to the structure of negative form of simple present. Subject do or does depends on the subject. Once again, we can use do depend on the subject, we can use does depend on also the subject, plus we added not and plus verb one plus object plus complement. For examples, the subject, if the subject using she, he, so we use does. Okay, does, and plus not plus verb one is study, object is English, and complement is everyday. However, if the subject I or you or we or they, so you have to add it with do and plus not plus study, English, and everyday. Okay, this is a negative form of simple presence. How about the interrogative sentence? Interrogative sentence, the form also is affected by subject also. Using do or does plus subject plus verb one plus object plus complement, and don't forget to put it question mark. Okay, here we go. Does, if the subject using she or he and verb one study and object is English and complement is everyday and question mark. However, if do, if we start with do, so the subject, it could be I or you or we or they, and study is the verb, English is object, and everyday is a complement and question mark. Okay, you have to remember positive form, negative form, and also interrogative form of simple present tense. I hope all of you, is it clear to all of you to understand about the three form of three form in simple present tense. Now here we go. You're going to practice. We're going to practice. This one is a random or jumbles a word, and then you have to arrange it into a good structure and a good order. So now we are going to try to start making into positive sentence. Okay, which one the first? Okay, good job. The first one is you have to put it she. She is the subject. Okay, after she, you have to try to find a verb. Which one is the one is it's the verb? The verb here is right. Okay, because using she, so the verb should be added with s. She writes. Okay, she writes. What she writes? We have to find the object. Which one is this, the object? The object is a letter. She writes a letter. After that, we have to find a complement. The complement is every week. So the sentence is she writes a letter every week. Okay, good job. Now we are going to move to this one. Make the words given into a good sentence using simple present tense. Okay, I will give you one help with words using we. Okay, we sit on the chair every day. Okay, good job. We sit on the chair every day. No object. Why? Because sit is a verb without using object. Okay. Or we can also say we watch a TV every day. We watch a TV every day. Okay, good. Now, I think that's all for today. Thank you so much for paying attention in this lesson. I hope this lesson is useful for us, and then have a nice weekend. Bye-bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good morning.